so mean.
You think it's gonna be that easy? No way, yo! My man like a fish!
Oh my days already.
He's the sea knight. Jinbe.
First son of the sea.
That's true. The Omen light. Because the devil for you use it.
Okay, hopefully Crocodile like uses his sand or something to block.
Juke.
My man blocking the cannons, yo! My man's blocking the cannons!
Juke. What else you got? Buggy, what the fuck you thought the plan was? You gotta steal a Navy ship, bro.
Close, yo. And run up on his own. He went to get the ship!
He reminds me of Usopp sometimes.
Jinbe's a boss, man!
He's gonna launch you, he said.
Oh my god. How long has he been in prison? He must feel so good being back in the water.
How much?
Yeah, man. Jeez, so loud.
Fishman way of yielding.
Oh man, his abilities are so cool.
Water heart.
Whoa.
My man didn't come in my arm and see yo. Jinbe, yo.
What?
You shut you up?
Oh, that is so cool.
Yo. That's pretty fucking sick.
Fly like a bitch. Fly like a bird.
This is like when the
Jinbe.
flipping.
MVP.
Funny
You
drinks,
get on
yo.
a ship. Oh man, he is. Oh man, I love Jinbe. Jinbe is the man.
It's Crocodile. Jinbe, yo. When I pull him right out of the hat, yo. Dead on the ship.
Yeah.
Damn.
Now we need to get this ship. Go back.
Nice.
Get Lucy on.
This ship is good as ours.
That's if you can do that.
What?
Yeah. You,
Go ahead and try.
Make quick work
Yeah,
of this,
right.
man.
Oh shit.
Crocodile, yo.
I never thought I'd side with
Crocodile's a monster, yo.
Yeah.
Break that shit, yo.
Whoa.
He's definitely a Logia, so his guns are absolutely
His
useless.
whole body is made of blades because of the super.
Yay! Finally some. Oh!
Oh, that is cool.
Finally some Mr. One spotlight.
Assassin. Oh, that is so.
Yo. Man, halfway, man.
Hey, Frankie. I miss you, bro.
Weird
does time
seeing
go,
these
man?
breaks.
I feel like it just started, man. I feel like I just said, come on. About time, yo. About time. Buggy's flying the dogs, yo.
Damn, Buggy, you still wrecked? Bro, get up.
There we go. Everyone knows. Sink it immediately.
Oh my days.
Reflect those
Oh,
cannons,
another
yo.
spear.
Oh, Jinbe.
There. Yo, man,
Yes.
flooded the ship.
Yo,
I know I
Jinbe.
said that 1,000 times, but it is.
OP in the water.
Jinbe, yo.